Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. I love to steam up my own lobsters for all of my friends, and this 42 quart stock pot from Concord has made that so easy for me.
This is a full stainless steel construction stock pot that comes with the steaming basket and a lid. And let me tell you, this thing is amazing. It is a 42 quart pot, so it is fit to make a feast. It's the perfect thing if you are doing home brewing, boiling, or deep frying. I am so excited to deep fry a turkey in this. It says that it fits up to a 25-pound turkey, which is normally the size that we love to get. So I am so stoked to do a deep fry in this soon. But I did this amazing little lobster steam up for some special guests that we had over, and it was such a treat. This worked so well, and it was the perfect thing. I could not be more happy with this stock pot. We always have to borrow one from a friend, and I am so happy to have my own now. It fit perfect on this burner that we had, and I think this thing is so great. It was actually super easy to clean after as well, which I very much appreciate.
I love this stock pot. I think it's the perfect size for some at home lobster steaming. It is so perfect for me, and that's my point of view.